with the safe down in here.
Are you kidding me?
That's how you start a morning right there.
Well guys, hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. We haven't been out for a couple days with Christmas Eve, and my son's birthday was on the 22nd, so we haven't been out for a couple days. But anyway, here is a collaboration video of up to 100. I don't have every kill shot on there because some of them, I'll admit it, I didn't catch it. But don't worry guys, you're gonna get your 30 videos. So we will be headed out probably tomorrow, just me and Garrett, and then Luke's gonna come down and meet us for a couple days. We'll hammer out the rest of the tour here and get you guys a video as soon as possible. We may be delayed a day on the video because the place we're going, I don't know if I got enough service to get it uploaded or not. So if I do not get a video up for the 27th, don't worry guys, they're still coming. Thanks for watching.
1, 2, 3, 4.